Jerusalem Talmud Yomi, Tractate Orlah, Chapter 1, Mishnah 3, Part 1. Starting with the Mishnah, the words Elon Shenekar. The Mishnah says, if a tree was moved with its lump, if it can survive, it is exempt. Otherwise, obligated in the midst of Orlah. And just to refresh everybody, Orlah is when a tree is planted. The fruits cannot be eaten for the first 3 years. It's considered Orlah. It's a Torah commandment. If the lump was partially moved or the plow displaced it and it turned to dust, if the tree can survive, it is exempt, otherwise obligated. If a tree was cut but there remained a root, it is exempt. How large shall the root be? Rabban Gamliel, in the name of Rabbi Elazar ben Yehuda from Birtota, like a tenter's needle. If a tree was uprooted, but it had a sunken branch, and now lives off that, the original trunk becomes like the sunken branch. If he sank year after year, and it was interrupted, one counts from the moment it was interrupted. Attachment of vines, attachment after attachment, even if he sank them into the earth, are permitted. Rabbi Meir says, where it is in its force, it is permitted. Where it is weak, it is forbidden. A sunk branch, which became separated but is full of fruits, if it is increased by 1/200th, it is forbidden. Halacha. Note that in the Jerusalem Talmud, when it says halacha, that's sort of like its way of saying, like the Gemara is starting. It's sort of like the way the Gemara starts in the Yerushalmi format. Halacha. So is the Mishnah. If it could survive, it is exempt. Otherwise, obligated. Chizkiah asked, less than that, is it as if torn out? If he worshipped it, is it forbidden? Does one write on it women's bills of divorce? They say, Chizkiah retracted this. Rabbi Jonah said, Chizkiah retracted because Rabbi Yochanan said, in the name of Rabbi Yanai, if it is thick like a tenter's needle, it is certain that it is 3 years old. So he mentions a tenter's needle, machat shel mitui, and that is the same terminology used by Rabbi Elazar ben Yehuda from Birtota. I think so, yeah. Birtota. Yeah, kemachat shemal miton. Shal miton. And they say here, okay. Shal mitui. Okay. To be continued in part B and part 2. Shabbat shalom.